Hello and welcome to Global Village Montessori. My name is Miss Jessica and today I'm going to be reading you a story. This story is called Click, Clack, Splish, Splash. All right, let's get started. This is the cover page. This is the title page. All right, click, clack, splish, splash. One farmer sleeping, 2 feet creeping, 3 buckets piled high, 4 chickens standing by, 5 cows type a note, 6 goats load the boat. 7 pigs lead the way. 8 sheep decide to stay. See the sheep in the back? 9 mice leave a note on the door. Gone fishing. All the animals go to the shore. 10 buckets lined up in a row. 10 fish ready to go. Let's count the buckets. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One sleepy farmer rubs his eyes and wakes up to a fishy surprise. So what happened? There's no more fish. Poor farmer. The end. Here is the duck with all of the fish swimming with them. All right. If you enjoyed this story, click, clack, splish, splash. Please hit that like button. And if you would like to subscribe, hit the bell notification. That will let you know when all of our new videos are posted. All right? So I will say goodbye to you, and I can't wait to see you next time. Goodbye.